In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries into QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner, an accountant, or someone new to bookkeeping, importing journal entries can make your financial management so much easier. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign in. Begin by navigating to the QuickBooks Online login page. If you're like most people, bookmarking this page will save you loads of time in the future. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. It might seem obvious, but starting with a clear, focused mindset helps to reduce any potential for error further down the line. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be presented with various options. Here, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online since that's the platform we're using to import our journal entries today. Once you choose the right option, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Make sure you have your email and password handy, and don't worry about memorizing them. Using a password manager can offer a practical solution for this. After entering your credentials correctly, click on Continue to access your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it and it will open up a handy drop-down menu brimming with several functionalities. From this menu, you need to scroll down and select Import Data. This section allows you to bring in various entries and information into your account effortlessly. Now, from the list of options present under the Import Data, choose Journal Entries. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the exact data type you wish to import to avoid any mistakes. Once you've done that, click on Import and you're halfway there. The next step involves uploading your prepared CSV file from your computer. Now, CSV files are the standard format for importing data because they maintain the integrity of your columns and rows. So always ensure your data is saved correctly in this format before you proceed. Click the Upload button and locate your file. Once it's uploaded, QuickBooks Online will process this file and get it ready for transfer. When you see the Next button appear, that's your cue to move on. Clicking Next will take you to the Mapping Fields page. This is a pivotal step where you'll ensure that the information in your CSV file aligns perfectly with the fields in QuickBooks. Take your time here, tab through each field and confirm everything looks correct. Finally, when everything is mapped to satisfaction, click on Import. Watching the seamless transition of your data into QuickBooks is always rewarding. After confirmation of your import, double check everything to ensure that all data was transferred accurately. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to bringing your journal entries into QuickBooks Online. Keep practicing these steps and importing data will soon become second nature to you. Thanks for watching.